Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the capture and organize steps of the C.O.D.E process, which is the capture, organize, distill, and express process, C.O.D.E. And the first two parts are going to be in this video, and then the second two parts are going to be in the next video. So capturing and organizing. You can capture things from your mind straight into Notion. You just type it out on your laptop, or you can use the Notion mobile app and just capture it in the relevant project. If you don't know where it's going to go, you can always go back to your notes and just drop it into the My Notes section. Then you can organize it later. I try to recommend that people put it into the project, and this is why. So let's say I'm doing a project which is my house renovation, and I'm going to go to the website for how to do a house renovation. Now, how do I get this into my second brain? I could grab this URL and post it into Notion, or I could use the Notion web clipper. And there's lots of different tools. This is a Chrome extension that you can use to essentially bring stuff into Notion very quickly. And I'm going to put it into the relevant project, which is house renovation, and save that page. I'm going to open that in Notion. And inside, I now have the relevant page copied with all the text inside my Notion note here. So it's even carried in all of the different details and, the prices of various things. Super helpful for getting stuff into your second brain really quickly. Now, the trick is to organize it. With AI and Notion AI, you don't need to do so much organizing. So long as it's in the right project, Notion AI will be able to use that in context of the project that you put it in. That's the most important thing, because it's all about moving your projects to the express stage of the C.O.D.E process. So now it's in my project, I can use Command-Shift-J and open up Notion AI. And then this will allow me to ask different questions, ask like, what is the most expensive part of renovating a house? And even do different things like summarize this, actually tell it what kind of house that you're building, and then create a markdown table for that type of house, and using estimates from a different country, and be able to help you complete the project faster. So that's the capture and the organize steps. Next lesson, we're going to be looking at how to distill information, and we'll also look at expressing that as your key deliverables, whether that's videos, blog posts, slide decks, houses, whatever you need to be building. So I hope that was helpful, and see you in the next video.